Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Srayaseedutube. So if you are new here, I mainly make videos on makeup, lifestyle and well-being. And if you're interested in any of this, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram and on my Facebook page. So today I am going to show you what I have purchased in this month. So all this product what I have purchased before Diwali, and that's why I get a great discount on Nykaa. So first I'm going to show you a face wash. So in previous month I have already finished one face wash. That's why I have purchased another face wash. This is a Marmot Upton face wash. I have already seen a very good review on this face wash, and Marmot itself a very good brand. It doesn't have any nasty chemicals. It is a paraben and SLS free, and it is also a plastic positive brand. That's why I am interested to invest in Marmot. So let's see that whether I like this face wash or not, because I have purchased this face wash with a great hope, because it has also a very good ingredient like coconut oil, orange oil and patchouli oil. All these are very good ingredient. It will brighten up my skin. So we definitely need a face wash which will keep our skin a little bit hydrated. And with this Marmot I get a argan hair mask. So I need a hair mask, and I have also get this as a free sample. So definitely I'm going to use this, and I'm going to give a full review on this argan hair mask. And now I have purchased a Lakme Peach Milk Body Lotions. So I have already purchased this lotion previously also. I love this lotion because it has a very good smell. It has a non-sticky formula, and it will keep my skin hydrated for long hours. That's why I have purchased this lotion in this winter also. It is highly recommended from my side. Definitely try this Lakme Peach Milk Body Lotion. You will love it. And then I'm going to show you a primer. So here I have purchased this Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. I have also get a good discount on this. So my previous primer, I have used Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy Primer. If you see my previous video, you can see there I have already used that primer a lot. So that is getting finished. That's why I have purchased this primer. Let's see whether it will work better than Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer or not. So I will give review in my next makeup video. There I am going to use this primer. And now I'm going to show you Estee Lauder Night Repair Serum. So actually in this winter I'm looking for a good serum that will keep my skin hydrated. Also it will repair my skin. So that's why I have invested in this Estee Lauder Night Repair Serum. So I have invested in a mini serum because this is the first time I'm going to use. So that's why I haven't invested in a bigger bottle, because it's a little bit costlier. That's why I have tried to invest in a mini bottle. I want to see whether it is going to suit my skin or not. So I have already used this 2-3 times, and it is already I'm already loving this serum because it get easily absorbing the skin, and my skin feels also very good on this. So hoping after 1 month I will give a full review on this, whether it is going to repair my skin or not. And now I'm going to show you an eyeshadow palette. So this is a Nykaa K eyeshadow palette in the shade Birthday Cake. So in this also I have get a very good discount. So on this this is a Birthday Cake palette. It has all these shades. These are all bright shades because right now I want to explore with many different colors. So it has a yellow shade, green shade, teal green, and also very good shimmer, blue shimmer, and also it has a lavender shimmer. So and let me tell you, its pigmentation is very good, its color payoff is very good. It stay in my eyes very well. I have already used this palette in my previous makeup video also. So the color pigmentation is very good. So definitely if you are in a budget and if you want to invest in a like this type of mini palette, definitely you can try this Nykaa K eyeshadow palette. They are giving good discount. At the same time, in this range the color payoff is really very beautiful, very great rather. So that is also highly recommended from my end. So that is all from my end. So in this video, hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more Nykaa haul video, let me know in the comment sections. Till then, love you all, take care, bye bye.